By the way, B1, the B1 connection for step 28, these flaps on the right side for me did not all line up. I preferred to make sure my corners all lined up so that because there's slight variations in the way I put this, I guess, together. And then there's manufacturer variations. So I had to actually use a pair of pliers to bend a little to make sure I get the hole to make the connections. I've been making my own slight adjustments accordingly to make sure that my shed is as safe as possible and as strong as possible. I'm even going to reinforce this eventually with some of my own screws in some places, and I will actually drill some holes where I missed at the meetings of some joints